country on the way here. We have the Typhoon, we have the Tornado Roll demo on Jeffrey in the Extra 330. We have the T-50B from South Korea. We have the King Air, Apache, the Red Arrows at 4 o'clock. Then the Vulcan will be towed out. And then we have the Tucano, the F-18 Super Hornet. As I said earlier, we have a very surprise guest, very important guest joining us in the commentary position as the Airbus comes down to land. After the F-18, we have the Osprey and the Vulcan. Okay, that's a dramatic sight. Picking up all that water down there as the engine starts to go. Oh, I bet this is going to go like that. That's going to be a lot. We should fly ourselves into London.